business ni si Scotty ay yung mata niya, his vision on the floor. Alam niya kaagad yung teammate niya, open, binigay kaagad yung pasa.
Malonzo inside. Off rhythm and one.
Yan, ginawa ni Tautua doon, sumundot na naman eh. Kaya nga, madali ka matawagan ng foul. Siyempre, you can say, okay.
Chop it with a
At hindi maka-timeout na San Miguel dahil nagamitan nila yung unang timeout dahil sa mandatory nila. Pwede sila.
Ross waiting for that board. Chris on the move to the right. Puts it up and in.
Akala nila hindi siya i-score, hindi siya drive. Ayun, malakas ang drive niya.
Showing the board.
And they're rushing and they're pushing it.
Tautua all the way. 6-0 run para dito sa San Miguel Beer. Pockets pass to Scotty. Somehow he got it to RJ. 3, the third one para ni RJ. Lamy to Junmar. Perfect execution para sa SMB, but Junmar is hurt. Junmar is hurt, Dr. J. Junmar is in the backcourt. Somebody's got a foul. And Brondial gives up the 3.5 remaining. Brondial fade away. Oh!
Baka naging blessing in disguise yung 3-point. Ito 2 points na may one more free throw at 0.3 of a second na. Wala nang balikan ni Nebra dun.
Rodney Brondial with a...
Dito pwede kang lumaban ng final. Nice pass. He's the guy you have to worry about. Kung ako sa Ginebra, I'm gonna pay special attention.
With Troy pleading for it. He's got CJ on it. They go the other way. Scotty!
3-point shot for Scotty in this quarter.
Scored 7 of his 10 dito sa third. Japet jumper. Go! And Coach Leo has seen enough. Barangay Ginebra slaps on the first double-digit lead of this game.
Kaya alam mo naman yung Barangay Ginebra ayaw pumayag.
CJ with a basket, may kasama bang foul?
You know, he has so much trust in CJ that he has practically held the ball for the last 5 minutes. Who's again making that crucial pass.
Trollano buries the three.
Ito talaga pag nagsama ito sa loob ng court, nakakatakot ito. Yung team ko na to call a timeout as they tie at 77 all.
77-77. Only the fourth triple of the game para sa San Miguel. 6 points of turnovers in the fourth quarter ng SMB. RJ with his first basket since the first half, and it's a 3.
What a very big timeout yung ginawa ng team ko. They were bases on, nice 4-point attempt.
Scotty with a save. Rosario with a big putback.
Medyo nakatulog doon yung mga ibang players ng San Miguel. Kala nila, bola na nila.
Coach Leo Austria wants here in the foreign.
Well, he's so smart. And nice
Jump on
pass.
inside. 20 points, 18 rebounds para dito kay Abay. And look at him flex.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunado.